Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can create an Outgrow and Freshchat integration, and also I'll show you what you can do with Outgrow in general. So in general, Outgrow enables marketers to create personalized content like calculators, quizzes, recommendations, forms, surveys, chatbots, polls, contests, and assessments. These highly converting and viral experiences add real value to the customer, enable new levels of engagement, and generate helpful data that you can use to qualify and segment leads. So once you're on our homepage, all you need to, like, if you want to check out the different kinds of contents that you can make, interactive content that you can make for your industry, you can just go here. You can see the different types here, or you can just search by industry. So if you click on search by industry, uh, you will shortly see all the interactive content examples that you can use for industry. And if you have a bunch of industries here you can choose from, and there's a whole number of interactive content pieces that you can first preview, and then you can click on build your own, and that will just take you to a sign up process. And once you've signed up, you will end up on your dashboard. On your dashboard you can see there are like 8 kinds of interactive content that you can build from. I've already talked about this earlier, so you can just, like, if you scroll over them, it will provide you a basic explanation of what this content does and what are the examples of things that you can build from it. You can also start from scratch if you want, or you can use one of the templates that I was talking about earlier, the ones we saw on the examples page. And so now I'm going to show you how to basically set up the integration with Freshchat. So say you made a content piece like this one here. This is a return of investment calculator. So first you open it in your dashboard. And as you can see, it's really easy to customize the questions here, add images if you want from here. You can change the question type, so there are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 types of questions that you can have, including text area, multi-select, a date time picker in case you want to make an appointment for any kind of experience that you're building. So all of this, so once you've made your calculator or any kind of experience, you just head to configure here, and then you head to integrations. And then as you scroll down, you will see the Freshchat integration right here. So you click on reconfigure, or if you've never set it up before, then you first click on configure, and it'll ask you for your API key and for your Freshchat email account, your login account, so that it can set it up. I've already done that setup process, so it's asking me to reconfigure now. So when I click on reconfigure, you can see this is my Freshchat account, and I can just either proceed normally or I can proceed with segment. I'm going to show you both options. If you click on proceed, you can see an Outgrow field here, and then you will see the corresponding Freshchat field here. So calculator name, you can enter the Freshchat field here, source, created at, all these fields, last name, first name, everything is here, and all the questions and results can also be mapped as fields, as you can see. All these can be mapped, and then finally you can also map UTM sources, medium, campaign, region, location, IP address. So there's the option to map all these fields on Freshchat. And then you click on test connection, and then once you do that, the connection will be established. So that's if you want to proceed directly. You also have the option of proceeding with segment. Now in this case, what you do is that you already currently haven't made any segments, so you can't see anything here, but in general what this is for is that if you want to segment all the data, if you want to filter all the data that you've collected on Outgrow and then you want to send it to Freshchat, in that case the filtering happens in Outgrow, and then you can map that data onto Freshchat. So that's how you do it. So for creating a segment, you basically go to analyze, and then you go to user details, and in this section you will see all your leads and their emails. So what you can basically do is, this is the segment section, and you can add all these filters to create a segment. So for instance, if you wanted to create the segment around question 1, You have all these if statements like is equal to, contains, the answer, it was answered in this way, or ends with this way, has a value, is unknown. So all of those segments can be created here, and once you create a segment, you can name it something, and then you can just export that data to Freshchat using the integration. So that is in short how you can use the integration. If you have any more questions, feel free to email us at questions@outgrow.co. And thanks for watching this video.